Hello and welcome to SRE Statconsultancy Services. Whether you're just starting your journey in medical research, social sciences, or any field that involves data analysis, statistics is the backbone of your work. It allows you to turn raw numbers into meaningful insights. But if you're new to research, where should you begin? In this video, we'll cover the basics of statistics for researchers, including descriptive and inferential statistics, proper sampling, and the right statistical tests. These fundamentals will make your research reliable and help you make sense of your data. Let's get started. First, let's break down two key areas of statistics: descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics summarize your data. This includes measures like the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Think of it as describing what you see in your dataset. Example: let's say you conducted a survey with 100 participants. Descriptive statistics will help you find the average age or the most frequent response to a question. Inferential statistics help you generalize from your sample to a larger population. This is where statistical tests like t-tests or regression analysis come into play. Example: if you surveyed 100 people from a specific city, inferential statistics allow you to estimate what the whole city's population might say based on your sample data. Pro tip: always start with descriptive statistics to understand your data before moving to inferential methods. This will ensure that you don't miss any important patterns or outliers in your dataset. One of the most important steps in research is how you select your sample. If your sample is biased or too small, your results won't reflect the population you're studying. Make sure your sample size is large enough and representative of the group you're interested in. A common pain point for beginners is choosing a random sample. But remember, if you want your results to be credible, you must avoid any bias when selecting participants or data points. Now, let's move on to statistical tests. Depending on your research question, you'll need different tests. Here's a quick overview. T-tests. Compare the means of two groups. ANOVA. Compare the means of 3 or more groups. Chi-square test. Test relationships between categorical variables. Regression analysis. Analyze the relationship between variables. Pro tip: if you're unsure which test to use, start by identifying the type of data you have, numerical or categorical, and the research question you're trying to answer. To sum up, statistics is essential for making your research findings credible. Whether you are analyzing clinical trial data or conducting a social science survey, using the right statistical tools and methods will help you make sense of your data and back up your findings with evidence. Always remember to start with descriptive statistics, choose the right sample, and apply the correct statistical tests. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to SRE Statconsultancy Services for more tips on how to apply statistics in your research. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section, and we'll be happy to help. For more learning materials on statistics for researchers, check out the links below. Online Statistics Education by Rice University, Khan Academy's Statistics and Probability, the R project for statistical computing.